my channel. Today's video is going to be a day in the life mommy toddler vlog. Sydney woke up from her nap not too long ago and ate some lunch. It is 2 o'clock and we just ran a bunch of errands this morning. Went to the post office, grocery store, but I'm excited because you guys, I finally got some HelloFresh meals and I'm gonna try them tonight. I got 3 of them and I actually have already tried one and I'm gonna cook another one tonight. But you guys, when I don't remember what vlog I asked you guys in, but it was a few vlogs ago that I told you I was interested in trying a meal delivery kit service, whatever that, and every single one of you said that HelloFresh was the best one. So I'm so excited. Tonight, which one am I gonna, here, instead of opening my fridge, I'll get the cards. I think tonight I'm gonna have the pasta one. So I ordered the vegetarian meals because you know, I'm kind of weird. I mostly eat only vegetarian anyway. So they sent me 3 of them. I've already tried this one. This one was the chickpea tinga tacos. No idea if I'm saying that correctly. It was bomb, you guys, and I was actually nervous because I'm not like spicy. I don't know, but they were freaking amazing. Tonight I'm gonna try the easy peasy ravioli gratin. Sorry. I'm not well versed. So anyway, I'm so excited to be cooking that tonight, and you know, knowing that I have a good meal coming is really exciting because you guys know that I never venture out of my comfort zone with cooking, and because I'm a single mom of a busy toddler, I just slack on cooking myself meals because it's just, oh my gosh. Baby, I love you, you know. I know, sweet angel. She's too tall. She's so tall now, she gets everywhere. Like, things that used to be out of reach are no longer safe. She gets on my makeup table and comes around the corner with like my eyelash glue or mascara. It's insane how grown up she is already. It's so crazy. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh, about being like a single mom cooking for myself. It's just, I don't really do it much anymore, which is bad. I need to. Hey, come on, girly. We gotta go to the post office, mail a bill, and go to Hannaford because we're out of milk. Hey guys, so it is sort of early in the morning. I haven't even done anything for myself at all yet, but actually I'm gonna go this way. Sydney and I are heading to run some errands. I just said we have to go to the post office, mail some bills, and run to Hannaford real quick. I am making certain recipes and need some ingredients for them. We're probably gonna hang out at the house today after I run some errands, put her down for a nap, and hopefully she takes a really good nap, you guys, because I don't know if she's teething, if it was because it was hot in her room or what, but she was kind of whiny all night last night in the middle of the night, and I think it was because her room was hot, so I had the fan going and I was trying to like cool it down for her. She just, whenever she goes to bed late or doesn't sleep well, she wakes up super early, so she was up early for herself. She never wakes up before 7:30, and she was up before 7:30 both yesterday and today. She was actually up at like 6:55, which, like I said, super early for her, and I'm exhausted because I can't fall asleep before midnight lately, and it's driving me nuts. Time for a nap. Night night. Okay, let's go. Let's go up the stairs. Bye, toys. We'll see you after our nap. Let's make it to the crib before we go night. Come on, let's go up the stairs. Sydney, let's go, honey. Let's go up the stairs. You can have your own TV show, kid. Hey, girlie, how did you nap? What did you dream about? Anything fun? Yeah? That's her saying music. Music-y, music-y. Were you dancing to some music that you dreamt about?
Shut up.
I love you. If you guys like day in the life vlogs like these, like mommy and toddler videos, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out a ton, and it just lets me know what videos you guys are liking on my channel and what to post more of, so that helps a ton. Well, my hair is outrageous. I'm getting it done tomorrow. I can't wait. By the time you see this, it will already have been done. So Sydney turns 19 months on the 8th, so tomorrow, before you see this, she's 19 months. Oh gosh. So I don't know, I feel like on my Facebook feed and some of my friends are already starting to potty train their toddler. I wasn't planning on getting her even just a potty to have in the bathroom until Christmas, which she will be 22 months at Christmas, which maybe is a little late. Maybe I'll get it sooner than that, but I don't know. What is your opinion? I know some kids are potty trained super early and some aren't until they're super late, and I know it depends on the kid. But how do you know when they're ready to be potty trained? Because in my opinion, I mean, Sydney doesn't squat to poop. She doesn't say I'm pooping. She could just walk around and poop while walking. Like, she doesn't get it. And then sometimes when I ask her, like just now, you know, I said, did you poop? She like runs to go get her diaper changed, but she did not poop. So I don't think she understands enough yet. So I 100% do not think that she's ready to be potty trained. You know, we talk about going to the bathroom, we have a book, you know, but I'm not actively potty training. But anyway, my question to you is like, how do you know that it's time, and when did you guys potty train? If you already have, like, I don't know. Speaking of potty training, she grabs the potty training book. This kid is brilliant. I mean, I know every kid is, but in my own opinion, every time I'm talking about something, she always grabs whatever's relative to what I'm talking about. But yeah, we have P for Potty, the Elmo potty training book, which is cute because it has flaps. Anyway, I just wanted your 2 cents on potty training because I'm dreading it. I don't want to change diapers for the rest of my life, but I'm really, really dreading potty training this child. Who is this, Sydney? Who's that?
Emma.
Yeah, Elmo. Who's this?
Abba.
Albie.
Do.
And what's that?
Baba.
Potty? Is that a potty?
Hi.
Oh, she's going to the actual potty. See, she knows and she understands, and then she helps mommy when mommy goes, but it's for her, like, no. I put her on the potty twice, actually, because she was standing at the potty saying potty, and I said, "What, do you want to go potty?" She said, "Yes, please." So I put her on the potty, and like 5 seconds into it, she's wanted to get down, so.
Hi.
Yes, honey, they're both potties. That's Elmo's potty. And the mess saga continues. watch the laundry start. This is what the laundry basket looks like once I've put all the clothes in there. She has to put all of her toys, some shoes. What you got in here today? Just one of Mom's shoes, lamb, your water. I feel like I'm in the mood for a fall candle, and I have all kinds of candles in here, but I have some winter, summer. Let's see if I have any leftover fall ones. I will do this one. Cinnamon caramel swirl. I think that's from last year. Alright, so she's gonna have this pouch today, bananas and pumpkin. Fall-esque.
Happy?
Apparently she was ravenous. Is it yummy, honey?
My mommy's
Yeah, yummy.
happy.
Snack, yeah. Delicious.
This one, this me.
It's delicious, huh? Wow. Okay, you're free. You want to push your snail? Your ball. Good job. You want to sit on it and go? You want to sit on it? Sit. Go ahead, sit on it. Mama will push you. That's the extent of it. And these shoes, you guys, are the most adorable little Nikes. My friend got them for her first birthday, like, before she was really walking, but they just fit her now, and I will link them down below, but they're adorable. I'm so obsessed with this weather, you guys. Like, it smells like fall in my house. So I'm gonna make her dinner, and then shortly after, I think I will make my dinner, like right when she goes to bed. That way I can sit down with a glass of wine and enjoy my meal by myself. As selfish as that sounds, it's me time as a single mom. Like, it's the only meal that I get to myself, and it's like, I look forward to it. She can have some leftovers maybe tomorrow. Baby girl, yeah. So this portion of the video is sponsored by HelloFresh, so I just want to say thank you to them so much for sending me these meals and sponsoring this portion of the video. If you use my code TRECHIC60, it will save you up to $60 off, $20 off your first 3 meals, and then it is a subscription service, so you get meals like up to 3 meals or something like that, whatever plan that you pick a week. So you're able to customize your plan. I chose the veggie plan. You can do a family or a classic plan as well, and a 2-serving or 4-serving plan as well. And then, like I said, it's customizable. You can pause it, cancel it, go in and change your plan whenever you want, and there is an app, so you can download it as well. But if you use my code, again, TRECHIC60, it will save you up to $60 off and $20 off your first 3 meals.